Good morning, everybody. This is your weekly note for the week beginning on Monday, October 26th, for the for the Distance Learner A group. Our topic 1B test will be on Wednesday, October 28th. You should have 4 homework assignments, 1.4A, 1.4B, the 1.5, and topic 1B review. All of those are on our worksheets. The 1.4B should actually be written on notebook paper, unless you printed it out at home. These are the dates in which the assignments were posted on Schoology. So you have one of 2 choices. You can either take a picture of all 4 homework assignments and send them to me via email, or upload them in the folders where they were assigned. I have no preference either way, whatever is easiest for you. As always, make sure to have work shown in order to earn full credit. All answer keys are posted on Schoology for you to be able to correct your work, and always let me know if you have any questions. Your homework is due by tomorrow night at 11:59 p.m. for full credit. Here are our testing guidelines. The majority of them will look identical to what they looked like for our first test, but we do have a couple of changes. To keep with the integrity of our assessment, these following guidelines are required for you to take your test. Be logged in and ready no later than the start of your class period. If you're in first hour, you should be ready to go at 7:50 exactly. Second hour, 8:38, and third hour by 9:30. If you're going to be absent, you must let me know as soon as possible so that we can reschedule. I have 6 classes testing throughout this week, and so rescheduling will be kind of a challenge. Make sure that you will let me know as soon as possible. Your absence must be excused, otherwise your test will only count up to the 80% benchmark. When you log in at your time, just use the Google Meet link on our Schoology page. Like before, you must have your camera on, and I need to see your entire workspace. I'll need to see you, the surface you're working on, the paper you're writing on, and that notes review worksheet at all times. You may use that notes review worksheet with steps and formulas on the front. So just answer the questions by using your notes. Nothing else can be written on your worksheet, no examples or anything. You also are not allowed to use your note packet this time. Once you finish with your test, you'll also submit a picture of that notes review with your test. You may use a calculator if needed, but you're not allowed to use your cell phone or any other aid while taking your test. Once you've finished, just let me know in the chat like we did before. Then stay on the Meet until you've grabbed your cell phone, taken a picture of your test and review worksheet, and submitted it to me. Or not review worksheet, sorry. The notes review worksheet. That might be misleading, sorry. The notes review. Once I tell you in the chat that I received your email, it may take a minute or so. Then you are welcome to be dismissed, or you're welcome to leave that Google Meet. If it appears at any time that you haven't followed or you're not following these guidelines, you will be dropped from the Google Meet and you'll have to reschedule your test, only allowing the 80% benchmark as your maximum score. So please make sure to adhere to all of these guidelines. If you have any questions on them, let me know. Also, if you have any questions on any homework, let me know. We can try to set up a Google Meet, or I can answer your question via email. So for today and tomorrow, continue working on the 4 assignments. Have them turned in by 11:59 tomorrow night, and make sure your notes review worksheet is complete, and that's what you're allowed to use on your test on Wednesday. As always, like I said before, please let me know if you have any questions. Have a great couple of days, and I look forward to seeing all of you on Wednesday.